Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make elote in a cup with canned corn. First, drain 1/15-ounce can of corn very well. Next, heat the corn in a pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Stir it occasionally to ensure it warms evenly. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect elote texture and flavor, making sure every kernel is ready for the delicious toppings. Now, let's create the creamy base for our elote. In a separate bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder to the mixture. Stir everything together until it's smooth and well combined. This rich and tangy base is what gives elote its signature irresistible flavor. It's time to assemble your delicious elote cup. First, spoon the warm corn into your serving cup. Next, generously top the corn with the creamy mayonnaise and sour cream mixture we just prepared. Finally, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of crumbled cottage cheese over the top. This adds a salty, savory finish that truly elevates the dish. To finish your elote cup, add a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. If you like a little more heat, sprinkle on an extra dash of chili powder. Your homemade elote in a cup is now ready to enjoy. It's a quick, flavorful treat perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.